Okay, now chalo, let us look at question number 2, chapter 4, question number 2. XYZ company is facing continuous losses. Oh my god, there is decline in sales. Oh my god, and there is a decline in product market share also. Continuous losses, decline in sales, decline in market share. Toy 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 toy. They are giving you the indicators to apply retrenchment strategy because everything is declining. The products of the company become uncompetitive, indicator 4. There is persistent negative cash flows, super, indicator 5. Physical facilities are deteriorating, indicator 6. Employees have low morale, indicator 7. Bhai sahab aur kya chahiye? So they are peeling the banana and putting in your mouth. This much of spoon feeding. After that also our Chambu will not understand. Sir, what is this strategy to be followed? It is expansion. Nee moonj expansion. Look at the question. They are giving all the problems in the world. So this is a situation where you need to apply a retrenchment strategy. Okay, Pawan sir, in retrenchment strategy, shall we apply turnaround strategy or shall we apply disinvestment strategy or we'll go for liquidation strategy? What are we supposed to do, Pawan sir? देखेंगे. Read the question fully. At the board meeting, the board members, directors decided that they should continue the organization. That means there is no liquidation. We will fight, will not commit suicide. That is the resolution. Means what? You wanna come back. So there is no liquidation. And adapt such measures such that the company functions properly. The board of directors decided to hire young executive Shyamali. Okay, let us call Shyamali. We are South Indian people now. For improving the functions of the organization. Okay, that means they do not want to sell any loss-making unit. They do not want to shrink their present scope. So there is no disinvestment. That means what is the situation? Close your eyes. There is only one situation here. Turn around, teddy bear, turn around, teddy bear, touch the ground. Turn around. Okay, so what is turnaround strategy? Tell me. So there is a decline in profits, decline in market share, decline in sales, decline in employee morale. So everything is declining. So whatever the declining trend is, stop it, turn around, push it up. That is called turnaround strategy. Correct. So this girl, young executive Shyamali, for improving the functions of the organization. What corporate strategy should Shyamali adopt for this company? Now Chintu will get it out. Sare, whose problem it is? Some idiot's problem. What they have done? They have appointed a young executive Shyamali. They will give a lot of money to this girl. That girl has to think, no, why they are asking me? What Shyamali will do? Shyamali will eat and sleep. Beta, if you write answer like that, you will lose 5 marks, 4 marks. So though Shyamali is working on the company, you need to use your brain. What strategy should Shyamali adopt for this company and what steps need to be taken to implement the corporate strategy adopted by Shyamali? Oh my god, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, what is that step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sir? Do you remember, for a successful turnaround strategy in your beautiful ICI study material, 5 steps are prescribed, very important for theory and case studies also. On turnaround, there are 3 case studies here. That means try to understand how important it is. In 1990s, Indian Railways was almost in bankruptcy stage. A parliamentary committee submitted a report to the parliament stating that Indian Railways has become a white elephant sucking the whole budget of the country. Sack off, liquidate it or privatize. Tata Group was in favor of buying that also. Now imagine if Indian Railways is acquired by Tata Group. That time government decided, हम प्राइवेटाइज नहीं करेंगे, हम लिक्विडेट नहीं करेंगे, बैंक्रप्ट है हम, बट वी विल फाइट, विल कम बैक. यो रेलवेज 2.0. Surprisingly, there was one minister, Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav. Remember? Bihar. So Lalu Prasad Yadav was the minister for railways that time. Then they did this turnaround strategy, and then this IRCTC came, then this online booking has come, then they have invented so many innovations like, selling tea in that cups. What type of cup it is? Clay pots, small clay pots, hygienic, eco-friendly, and giving employment opportunities to so many small scale industries. And then they have added so much of innovation, cleanliness. They try to develop this, and the occupancy of this trains and the number of seats increased with additional coaches, more routes, more trains. Oh my god, they have done everything. And do you know, after 12 years, railways has become number one profit making public sector in India. From bankruptcy to number one, from zero to hero, it takes a lot of strategic planning. Pawan sir, what they might have done that, they might have done this 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Assess current problem. What is the problem we are facing now? 2. Analyze the situation and develop a strategic plan. Step 3. Implement an emergency plan. Why emergency plan is required? There are 2 problems. 1. The external environment might not be supportive. 2. Internally we don't have money. Cash generating activities are to be done. Cash generating activities. For example, sale and lease back the assets. Oh my god, accounting standard 19. Sale and lease back. So when you sell the asset and when you take the asset on the lease, you will have a lot of cash flowing into the company that can be used as working capital. That is one of the characteristics of retrenchment strategy. Look at Future Group. Pantaloons was a profit making company. Big Bazaar was a loss making division. They want to pump in more working capital to Big Bazaar. So what they have done? They sold. Mr. Kishore Biyani sold Pantaloons to Madura Garments Birla Group, and then they mobilized 1,650 crores. That 1,650 crores is pumped into Big Bazaar again, so that Big Bazaar has become again profitable. They survived. But after that, there is one saying, no, Nadinam Sagarogatihi, all the rivers will go into the ocean sea. So now this Big Bazaar, Nilgiris, all these things in future retail, whatever is there now, belongs to Mr. Mukesh Ambani. Again, they sold it off. That is a different story. But 10 years back, 15 years back, when they were struggling, they tried to apply turnaround strategy. One of the another classic examples is SpiceJet. SpiceJet was in huge losses. Turnaround, excellent turnaround they did. So, step 1, what you need to do? Understand the current problem. What is my current problem? 2. Analyze the situation and develop a strategic plan. 3. Implement the emergency action plan for survival. Problems came up to this. What to do? First, oxygen mask lagao. Amma, I can breathe, so I can survive. After that, cure the problem. Then step 4, restructuring the business. What to do? Identify the loss making units. If you are going for a disinvestment, you can sell them off, or any non-core businesses. So there can be a core business, there can be a non-core business. For example, take ITC. ITC has so many businesses, but core business is tobacco. Take Reliance. They have so many businesses, but core business, now they have many core businesses, but originally Reliance core business was petroleum. Isn't it? So that should not hit your core business. Core business should not be damaged. So non-core businesses, if you want, you can sell it off, restructure it. Okay, again, it may go to internal reconstruction or organizational or legal reconstruction or asset reconstruction or liability reconstruction or demerger or spin-off or hive-off or, merger, acquisition. Do something. Do some restructuring. Then stage 5, returning to normal. After that, time will stop. From here, time will start. That's all. So what our great Syamali will do now, she has to implement turnaround strategy. Why? All the indicators of retrenchment strategy were present in the given situation. All the indicators were present. So look here, XYZ company is facing continuous losses, decline in sales, decline in market share, negative cash flows, uncompetitive products, Then deterioration in physical facilities, low morale of employees. What you want? Every organ failed. Sir, mercy killing? No. You will try giving treatment. In such a scenario, Shyamali may choose a turnaround strategy. Not may choose, she has to choose. There is only one option. As this strategy attempts to reverse the process of decline and bring improvement in organizational health. This is also important as board has decided to continue the company and adopt measures for its proper functioning. What did the board say? Miss Shyamali, don't come to us and say, "Arey yaar, liquidate kar do yaar. What is this problem?" Don't tell that. Board of directors passed a resolution. We will continue. So do something for that. For success, Shyamali needs to focus on the short and long-term financing needs, because in this situation the company will have lot of cash problems. Money is not there to pay salaries also. How? So you need to generate money. How? Sell some asset. Mobilize cash, or ask equity shareholders to bring money if they are ready, or ask debt holders to pump in more money, or go to State Bank of India and ask money. If they give, take it. And then you need to shuffle your product mix also. What are all the products we have? Any uncompetitive products, they are to be thrown or they are to be sold, as well as strategic issues. So financial issues you need to look at, short term, long term, and strategic issues. During the turnaround, the product mix may be changed, requiring the organization to do some repositioning. A workable action plan for a turnaround would involve 5 stages we discussed just now. Stage 1, assessment of current problems. Stage 2, analyze the situation, develop strategic plan. Stage 3, implement emergency action plan. Stage 4, restructuring the business. Stage 5, returning to normal. Now remember, in this chapter there are so many case studies about turnaround strategy. When the turnaround strategy is given, close your eyes. In your answer, indicators must be there. All that problems they mentioned, in your answer, indicators must be there. Point number 1. Point number 2, because of these indicators I am choosing turnaround strategy, should be there. This is item number 2. Item number 3, discuss the facts. And then item number 4, tell them that this beautiful procedure is to be applied. What is this procedure? Stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is mandatory. In 1-2 case studies, they have elaborated stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In other case studies, that are the case studies going to come, they have just given the side heading. Stage 1, assessment of current problems. Stage 2, like that they have written in bullet points. You can do like that also. You can write like this also, which is ideal, or you can just list down stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. This should be the pattern of your answer. So case study 2 is over. Let us see case study 3. If it is turnaround, we'll put it together. Now look at question number 3. Read question number 3. Don't waste time. Arena Limited manufactures computers that are of low in production cost, competitive price, and quality to their competitors' product. Okay, so you are what company you are? You are a manufacturer of low production cost, competitive price, but good quality product, computer. Profits and market share are declining day by day. Underline, what is this? Fall, retrenchment. Shrikant, senior executive, realizes that drastic strategies have to be created for the survival of the company. After SWOT analysis by assessing the strengths and weaknesses, they have come up with the conclusion that they cannot compete in the computer business. I cannot compete with the competitor. Jack Well has given a beautiful saying: if you do not have competitive advantages, if you cannot compete, don't compete. If you are not ready for the war, don't go for the war. You will be killed. If you are not exam ready, don't go and face ICI. You will fail. So finally, this guy, Srikanth, has common sense at least enough to understand after analyzing SWOT. He came to a conclusion that we cannot compete in computer business with competitors because the competitors are, they are very strong. The management directs Srikanth to act quick and develop a suitable strategic plan. Discuss the strategy which can be opted by Srikanth. There is only one strategy. What is that? Turnaround strategy for you because you are in losses. Now look here. Srikanth opted for a turnaround strategy which is highly targeted effort to return the company to profitability and increase positive cash flows to a sufficient level. Common sense. Organizations, those who have faced a significant crisis that has negatively affected operations, require turnaround strategy. Yes, if you are suffering from fever and body pains, take paracetamol. That is what they are saying. Once turnaround is successful, the organization may return again back to growth. Or after this survival period, stability period, you can think of growth. Conditions. What are the conditions? You need to write symptoms, indicators. When firms are losing their grip over the market, losing profits due to internal external factors, and if they have to survive under competitive environment, they have to identify danger signals as early as possible and undertake rectification steps. These conditions may be inter alia, in between: cash flow problem, low profit margin, high employee turnover, many people are leaving organization, decline in market share, capacity underutilization. You have a lot of capacity but you cannot produce because there is no demand for your product. Low morale of employees, employee satisfaction level is very less. Recessionary conditions, external environment, mismanagement, top level people eating money, raw material supply problems, and so on. These are the problems. What to do? Pawan sir, in this situation, what to do? Simple. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Turnaround happened, at least theoretically. In reality, it won't happen this simple. So you'll say, turnaround happened, da-da-da-da-da. Over. Then problem number 4. This is also turnaround strategy. So we'll continue this also. Pizza Galleria was India's first pizza delivery chain. Order what you want. Seriously? No. Read the question, write the answer. Sir, we'll eat a pizza lunch. No. That is later. First we'll do question. Pizza Galleria was India's first pizza delivery chain, enjoying monopoly for several years. Congratulations. However, after entry of Modino and Uncle Jack, it is struggling to compete. So two people entered the country. Both Modino and Uncle Jack have opened several eateries and priced the product aggressively. That means reduced prices. In the last 4 years, the chain, which chain? Gold chain? No. Silver chain? No. Supply chain? No. Pizza Galleria's food chain, delivery chain, suffered significant losses. So your last 4 years, you are in huge losses. The chain wishes to know whether they should go for turnaround strategy. Obviously, list out components of action plan of turnaround strategy. Now first write indicators, I told you, then write the procedure. Indicators: persistent negative cash flow, uncompetitive products, declining market share, deterioration in physical facilities, overstaffing, high turnover, low morale, mismanagement. Then what to do? Change your product mix and repositioning is required. Uncompetitive products are to be withdrawn. Innovative products can be improved, improvised or developed. So all these things you need to do. But before that, you will have short-term, long-term cash crunch, financial issues, and strategic issues. So what can be done? Think. We will find one logistics partner like Swiggy, Uber Eats, Zomato. We will join hands with them, tie up, and we'll ask them, Bhai Saab, we are in turnaround strategy. We will aggressively do digital marketing. We will get online orders. Will you be interested to deliver our products from our eatery to the customer place? Strategic alliances can be formed. These are what you can do. So indicators are there. After that, for turnaround strategies to be successful, it is imperative to focus on short-term cash, short-term, long-term financial needs, and strategic issues. The chain may attempt to leverage, operating leverage, yeah? No, financial leverage, combined leverage. What leverage? Well, what leverage? Leverage here refers to advantage, synergize with combination the potential Indian market by engaging a new logistic partner, Swiggy kind of people. It may bring innovation in food items as well as quality and improvements in the overall dine-in and delivery experience. During the turnaround, product mix may be changed, requiring the organization to do repositioning. Action plan for turnaround strategy. We have studied this 5 side headings almost 50 times now. Assessment of current problem, analyze the situation and develop strategic plan, implement an emergency action plan, restructuring the business, returning to normalcy. That's all. So we have done question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. All these 3 questions, 2, 3, 4, all these questions are on turn around strategy. Do you understand this? Shall we go to the next question?